Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Yeah, I think these blue buildings are just really cool. Just really like them a lot. And I'm just gonna zoom in because I have my zoom camera here, and then you can see the detail of these too. So I'll just kind of zoom in. I want to show you a couple of things. So there's like a concave one and kind of a we'll just go to this one first. This is the balcony. What a cool balcony, right? You got windows, then like that little red thing I think is like some kind of parachute thing. It just goes all the way down. I wonder if people could put things in there from whatever balcony they're at. It's pretty cool. But it goes all the way down to the bottom, I guess. I don't know, maybe they put a dumpster right there? I don't know. Then on the other side you have these like apartments that kind of go inward. And there's another one, there's a big thing right down the middle of those two. I'll have to look for that next time. Yeah, pretty cool space though, pretty cool building. Look at that building. It's beautiful, look at that. It's stunning. Such a beautiful building.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.